Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, let's create this logo design. First of all, select the polygon tool, press and hold shift key. Now click on down arrow key to make a triangle from the hexagon. Select all, make sure fill color should be none and the stroke weight should be 140. Increase the size. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So like this video and hit the subscribe button. Select the triangle. Select the scissor tool and delete this part. Now take the pen tool and make a curve line like this. With the help of direct section tool, make a few adjustments. Now select the width tool, make the corners sharp. With the help of direct section tool, move this right part to left part. Now select all, go to object, expand appearance. Now select the curve line, go to object, path, offset path, increase to 50. OK. Now select all, press and hold. Now take the shape builder tool, press and hold alt key and remove this part like this, including this. Increase this part a bit more. Select all and press and hold alt key and remove this. Now select all, go to Windows, Pathfinder, click on Unite. Now we have to remove this part, so take the line segment tool and create a line like this. Go to object, path, divide object below, remove this extra part, select all. Now your logo design is ready.